It's Thursday, my hair's an absolute mess because I just woke up, so you're not gonna get to see that, but here's a view outside my window. So, it's pink! Yay! Tilt the camera down because I'm lying on my tummy. Really need to fix my eyebrows, they're getting a little bit out of control. Especially this one, it's just like, rawr, I am a beast of an eyebrow. Don't have a defined shape, I'm just like, blah. I don't really have much to say. I'll just, hello Leela, there's no room for you up here. I'm sorry, but there isn't. Here, now there's space. Come on, Bean. Good dog. Just spent like half an hour recording a song for my channel, but I don't know if it's good enough, so I'm gonna watch it and see if I should do it again, because I screwed up at one spot and couldn't figure out what fret C was on, so it's just like me going while trying to not blow it because I blew it 17 times beforehand. My fingers, despite the fact that ukulele strings are nylon, are kinda hurting. I have beastly calluses. I'm happy about that. So yeah, if you've been reading my Twitter, this was Secret Project. It's actually a lot brighter than it looks, because the light in here is kind of dark, and my camera's compensating for that. I need to edit this, and then go to Starbucks and upload it, because our home internet's being made of suck. That's about it. Beth, I'll see you tomorrow. The cake is a lie. Find some way. Oh, the screaming, because you like monkeys. It's not the right chord, take 4. Seriously? I was so close! I'm so la 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 la. You know what's even more frustrating? When you get like to the 3rd verse and then you screw up. It's not a C. Now it looks all neat here, but just out of frame you've got like the skirt to my cake dress. Oh hey, that's actually in frame, but it's covering up my Cocomotion. Over here we have my ukulele case, my pink combat boots, dinner from last night, tabs to another song I'm working on, Dr. Pepper bottle. Framing is important, guys. I am very graceful. Pretty things, bringing them to me. Sure you he's harmless enough, he's... His appearance is quite disturbing, but welcome to my... Hang on, I've got to tune this frame. Now crumbs on the bed. As a way of finding pretty things and bringing them to me. I know what the problem is. I'm not wearing socks. Can't be. Now I can be a good musician. The secret to being a good musician is wearing socks. I can just see Beth face-palming right now. Just occurred to me I should put my phone on silent too, because nothing would ruin this worse than being at the last verse and having my phone. List of fail. Right here.